Sup guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you around London. I was only there for a few days, but I did spend 2 weeks in Europe going to London, Paris, and then Rome. I had so much footage of each of the places, I decided to split it up into 3 separate videos just so it wouldn't be like an hour and a half long. But if you prefer long-form content, let me know down in the comments down below. And for future trips, I can put them all together since I am heading to Japan soon. All of the day's travels put together was about 18 hours, so we just headed back to our hotel and got checked in, and then went and got some Harry Potter tattoos, which I'll show some close-ups later. Our first batch of sightseeing for London will be our half-day guided tour in the morning.
On a Sunday morning in London.
Be the first!
We have the manifestation of Helios. The great eye of heaven, the sun, is sort of struggling to poke through. I am wild with delight. I'm a Londoner. I never see London like this. I mean, ordinarily it's clotted like a, like very thick custard going through the old traffic here, but this is bloody brilliant. Can I just check? Is everybody understanding me?
Yes.
Does everybody speak English?
Give it to us. I want to hear all of
Actually, can I just check? Are you all from the United States of America?
Yes.
No random. Is there a random Canadian? Yes. One random Canadian. Hello, random Canadian.
Yay.
Oh, 2 random Canadians. No. My job this morning is to show you London, you lovely lot. Tom, this is the kind of hard fact you want from a tour guide, absolutely. How big is London? Well, having been 1 square mile for 1600 years, subsequent to the Great Fire, we started spreading, and today London covers 620 square miles, and our population is just scraping 9 million people. And by the way, we do use miles in this country.
Yes.
Kilometres are just for the Europeans and the Canadians. Do you think English people eat English food? Yeah. No, we like everything. We like sushi, we like Brazilian food, and you can't have one, have them both. Look on the left hand side, sushi samba. We used to have the reputation for the worst food in Europe in this country. No longer true at all. According to National Geographic magazine, we have the best restaurant scene in the world. And yes, so the National Geographic says so. I'm not going to argue with it. You lovely lot, by turning right, we have now penetrated the ancient Roman city, and you really will start seeing lots of nooks and crannies, alleyways, left, right and centre. There are so many wonderful historic parts of town where you can get off the bus and go meandering. So I will take my fellow Londoners on sort of off the beaten track, hidden, secret London tours through places like Smithfield. Now have a look on the left hand side now and you will see Leadenhall Market. A very cool Victorian market, which no longer, unlike Smithfield, no longer functions as a market, but rather bijou. You can come back here tonight. I mean, it's going to be lovely. Look at the Bull's Head Passage down here on the left-hand side. It's not that remarkable, but some of you might get excited because it's down that passage. If you go down and turn to the left and hard back over your left-hand shoulder, you'd find the entrance to the Leaky Cauldron.
Oh.
Ah,
What's the Leaky Cauldron?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Does anybody care anymore about Harry Potter? I
Yeah.
find with Harry Potter, either people just do not care or almost lose control of their body.
We just got Harry Potter tattoos last night.
You got Harry Potter tattoos last night? No, what, really?
In London.
Wow. So Mel, going left. It is the place where 2 kings of England have been murdered. 3 queens of England have been executed by decapitation, including 2 of the queens of the king of extracurricular slap and tickle himself, Henry VIII. Yeah. It is where we keep the crown jewels, and they are the real McCoy.
I've got a hunch I'm never going to feel no other kind.
Uber boat. It's Uber on a boat.
Keep your eyes on the left as we swing round, and you'll see another church, much larger, much more famous. It is called Westminster Abbey. And Layla's and Jelly Spoon, you know, so many ideas for your free time. Westminster Abbey, you can see pointy windows, flying buttresses, a great rose window.
Now that our guided bus tour has completed, we're heading to start our Harry Potter tour. We get to tour every single place that is like filmed in the movies, that inspired the books, anything and everything Harry Potter related. We get to walk around and see. A lot of the stuff I did catch on my phone. That's why there's like some vertical clips in there. This entire tour lasted about 4 hours, and I wanted to take more clips of her explaining, but it was kind of loud out on the streets. And that ended our day. That took the entire day of doing guided tours, but the next morning we're heading off to Stonehenge. Hello. Hi. Are you excited to see Stonehenge?
Very excited. I don't know where.
I don't know either, but that's okay. But like, imagine picking one up. 50,000 pounds. Each. Couldn't be me. once we left Stonehenge, we just kind of spent the day going around Soho and shopping. I didn't even know that there was a Soho in London. But thank you guys for watching today's video, and make sure to catch the next one, which will be about 3 times as long as this video, and we go to Paris.